Hey guys, welcome to Crypto University. The world of cryptocurrency is dynamic and constantly evolving. New projects are introduced regularly, while older ones can quickly become obsolete. This raises an important question about BLOK, a cryptocurrency that has existed for a while. Is BLOK still alive? In this article, we will delve into the details of BLOK and assess its current status. We will also provide a 2023 price prediction for BLOK based on market trends and expert analysis. You are watching Crypto University, where you can get the latest updates on all things crypto, NFTs, and blockchain related. Tune in for a fun and informative experience. Remember, we will never request your personal information or contact you through WhatsApp. Beware of any potential scams or spam comments in the comments section. Watch the full video and show your support by liking it if you enjoyed the content. Without further delay, let us just dive in. What is BLOK? Blocktopia. BLOK is a decentralized metaverse built on Polygon that aims to provide an immersive and engaging environment for crypto enthusiasts. Users can access various levels of crypto education, earn revenue by owning virtual real estate, play games, network, and more. The BLOK ecosystem comprises two primary components, the BLOK token and the BLOK blockchain. The BLOK token is the native cryptocurrency of the BLOK network and is used to facilitate transactions, incentivize node operators, secure the network, purchase or lease real estate, customize avatars, access exclusive events, and buy items within the metaverse. The BLOK blockchain, on the other hand, is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions on the network and is maintained by a distributed network of nodes. Current state of BLOK. In 2021, BLOK experienced a surge in popularity due to its unique features and promising potential. However, as with all cryptocurrencies, the market is volatile and the value of BLOK has fluctuated significantly. The price of BLOK has declined significantly since its all-time high of $0.1777 on 31 October 2021. As of today, BLOK is trading at $0.0027 with a 24-hour volume of $930,015 and a market cap of $47,728,248. Downfall. As I mentioned before, the value of BLOK has fallen tremendously. The price decline can be attributed to several factors, such as the overall bearish sentiment in the crypto market is due to regulatory uncertainty, environmental concerns, hacking incidents, and other negative news. The high inflation rate of BLOK tokens is due to its large total supply of 200 billion and max supply of 199.9 billion. This dilutes the value of each token and reduces the scarcity appeal. The competition is from other metaverse projects that offer similar or better features, such as Decentral and Mana, Sandbox Sand, Axie Infinity Axe, and CryptoVoxels Vox. The technical issues and bugs that may affect the user experience and security of Blocktopia. For example, some users have reported problems with withdrawing their BLOK tokens from exchanges or connecting their wallets to the metaverse. BLOK is still in the market. Despite the recent price drop, BLOK remains a popular investment choice for many traders and investors. BLOK is a relatively new project that is still in development and has not yet reached its full potential. The BLOK team has continued developing the network, introducing new features such as decentralized exchanges and staking capabilities. These new features have attracted the attention of retail and institutional investors, further solidifying BLOK's position in the market. It may face some challenges and risks along the way, but it also has some opportunities and advantages, such as the growing interest and demand for metaverse experiences and NFTs among crypto users and mainstream audiences. Blocktopia can leverage its partnerships with influential crypto personalities, brands, and platforms to attract more users and sponsors to its metaverse. The low entry barrier and cost for users who want to participate in Blocktopia. BLOK tokens are affordable and accessible on various exchanges, and users can enjoy the metaverse without expensive hardware or software requirements. The innovative and user-friendly features that Blocktopia offers, such as the 21-level skyscraper that pays homage to Bitcoin, the educational content that caters to different levels of crypto knowledge, the revenue-sharing model that rewards users for their engagement and contribution, and the social and gaming aspects that make the metaverse fun and interactive. The year 2023 and BLOK. So, what can we expect from BLOK in 2023? Based on current market trends and analysis, BLOK has the potential for significant growth over the next few years. The reason could be continued development. The BLOK team has demonstrated its commitment to developing the network, with new features and updates being released regularly. This continued development will attract more users and investors, driving up demand for BLOK tokens, increasing adoption. As more people become aware of the benefits of decentralized finance and blockchain technology, the demand for projects like BLOK will increase. BLOK's unique features and capabilities make it an attractive option for those looking to invest in the future of finance. Cryptocurrency has revolutionized how we think about money, and one of the most promising and innovative projects is BLOK. Since its inception in 2017, BLOK has been a favorite among investors and traders. However, with the constant evolution of the cryptocurrency market, it's important to ask whether BLOK is still a relevant and profitable investment. Market trends. The cryptocurrency market as a whole is expected to continue growing over the next few years, with many experts predicting that it will eventually surpass the traditional financial markets. This growth will benefit BLOK and other cryptocurrencies, increasing demand and their value. However, based on the current state of the market and BLOK's continued development, we believe that BLOK is a promising investment choice for those looking to get involved in decentralized finance. Market demand for BLOK. BLOK addresses a critical need in today's digital world: secure and transparent data sharing. BLOK's value proposition is clear with the rise of data breaches and privacy concerns. The project has gained traction in various industries, including healthcare, finance, and education, where data security is paramount. BLOK's user base is steadily growing, and the project is poised for further adoption in the coming years. BLOK's price prediction 2023. The project's fundamentals and market demand suggest that BLOK is poised for growth in the coming years. BLOK's price hit an all-time high of $0.70 in 2021 before experiencing a market-wide correction. Based on current market trends and expert analysis, we predict that BLOK's price will continue to rise in 2023. Blocktopia's price for 2023, according to our analysis, should range between $0.005 to $0.011, and the average price of BLOK should be around $0.009. But in the coming years, the BLOK is going to have a boom. For example, for the year 2030, price prediction is around a maximum level of $0.059, with an average trading price of $0.052. BLOK is a utility token that is designed to facilitate transactions and activities within Blocktopia. It is not intended to be a store of value or an investment vehicle. Therefore, users should be aware of the risks involved in holding or trading BLOK tokens, such as volatility, liquidity, regulation, and hacking. Users should also do their own research and due diligence before buying or selling BLOK tokens. So here was all of it. Let's just wrap up. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. What do you think of today's video? Do leave a comment and like the video. Tell us what you want to learn about next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and return for more price prediction videos like this one. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.